Rear end first. Well, yeah, I suppose. No. No, I don't have a girlfriend right now. It's been a while.
Right. Right. That's not good. Does it make you have dark thoughts?
Like how dark you talking? Like want to be dead?
Okay, easy. Now, I just want to say this, like, right off the bat. Suicide is not the answer.
Who said anything about suicide? I just said maybe I should find a new hobby, like coin collecting or something at the beach. I like water activities.
Like drowning?
What? Drowning? I don't want to drown.
No, of course you don't. That's awful, okay? But I don't care what you say about suicide in the lake being poetic. You know, like your body floating to the top, the pristine, serene waters, and your final breath rippling out in an ever-widening circle, you know, like the circle of life. But you have to stop that kind of thinking. You have so much to live for.
Damn straight. I have a lot to live for.
Of course you do. See, I can tell this phone call is helping you already.
Dude, what the hell was that?
What is our Southern 20D?
Dude, he put you on
20D originates in Chicago, Illinois, 6 First Yard.
out of creepy coconut shell.
Terminates in Buffalo, New York, or terminates in Dubai, New York, on this
He's nuts. Yes.
Monday, February 21st, 2026. Amanda Rolfan. We'll see a second. See you guys come over there. Let's see what we got.
He's right.
Alright, forward.